Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of the 2018 Nissan GT-R50 by Italdesign, one of the world's leading companies for automotive concept manufacturing and testing to vehicle styling and engineering. The GT-R50 is a collaboration to mark the 50th anniversaries of Italdesign and the GT-R, and is meant to represent brute force with Italian styling and craftsmanship. The car itself was publicly unveiled at the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed in an anniversary colour scheme, but is currently just a concept prototype. However, it could be put into a limited production run of just 50 vehicles if enough interest is shown, each going for approximately £850,000. The GT-R50 is based on the highest spec version of the current GT-R, the Nismo, with this prototype featuring a significant amount of exterior changes, such as the gaping front with the large air intakes of brake cooling on either side, slim angular wing mirrors, insignia on lower lateral winglets, carbon fibre wheels, hollow LED brake lights, and a transparent section above that emits light from red LEDs. At the rear is the new aggressively angular wing that can now raise, lower and tilt. To the inside, the energetic Sigma Gold theme from the exterior is continued, with carbon fibre in two finishes, in addition to black Alcantara and leather on the bucket seats. At the rear, the main hatchback boot lid has been replaced by a smaller hatch, but there is still a boot with fitted luggage. The gold theme continues again in the engine bay, where the GT-R50 features the Nismo's 3.8-litre V6, but the engine has now been upgraded to produce 710 brake horsepower, up 118 brake horsepower, and 780 Nm of torque. At the rear, the diffuser has been extended and softened, with 2 rather than 4 exhaust exits. Let's see it hit the Festival of Speed hill climb.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what do you think about the GT-R50? Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.